Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Enjoy Beekeeping. I got a really major announcement that I need to make, so please bear with me. I'm going to try to make this super quick. As some of you know, I've got an online beekeeping course. It's my natural management course. I just got notified by Vimeo, that's the platform that I use for all my online courses. They sent me an email, and check this out. This is what they wrote me. They said, hey, we're writing to let you know that Vimeo On Demand will be phased out starting July 23rd. That's just around the corner. And then by September 21st, it'll be the final date the service is available. So here's what's going on. On September 21st, this is what's going to happen. Vimeo On Demand is going to be completely phased out, and all my video on demand courses that I've got are going to be removed. Customers will no longer be able to access previously purchased content. Now, here's the thing. It's not that anyone did anything wrong. I didn't, do any copyright strikes or something like that, and I'm getting everybody's stuff is getting removed because Vimeo is shutting down. So everybody is getting tossed out. So I'm thinking to myself, so what happens to all my customers who paid for lifetime access to the course? So I wrote them a letter, and I told them that. I said, hey, what about all my customers? Can you at least give me an email list of all the folks that have bought my course? So that way I can at least reach out to them and tell them. So they told me in a nice way, no. They told me they completely understand why having access to all my student emails would be so great. And it's incredibly important to me, especially when managing lifetime access to a premium course. So anyway, however, this is what they said, however, due to privacy regulations and legal restrictions, we're not able to provide sellers with the names or contact information. So I'm out in the cold too. So that kind of stinks. The good news is I've actually been rebuilding my courses since February this year. So I've actually had a work in progress so I had planned to migrate away from Vimeo, but basically what happened is they quit before I could fire them. I wasn't really crazy about the platform to start with, and I found a much better one. So the good news for all you guys that have purchased my online beekeeping course, I just need people to reach out to me, and the best way to do that is just visit enjoybeekeeping.com and scroll all the way to the bottom of the homepage and look for the red button that says Existing Vimeo Customer. Just click that, fill out the form, and hit send. I'm going to make 100% sure that you have full access to the new and improved 2.0 version. That's going to have way more stuff in it too, guys, so you're going to really like that. So the timing of all this couldn't be more impeccable. I was already rebuilding the course and planning to migrate away from Vimeo, and then they sent me this notice. So anyway, I want to make sure that everyone who's paid for the course still gets lifetime access to the course, and you're not going to get the old one. You're going to get the 2.0 version. You're going to really like this one, guys. Now, the other thing that I'm really excited about is not only am I rebuilding my natural beekeeping course, all the fundamental stuff that you want to learn, I'm also going to have a complete DIY course. So you can see I'm doing some DIY stuff here now. I'm actually out in the bee shop, and I'm building a whole bunch of hives for customers that we're going to be shipping out. I'm going to have a whole bunch of courses just for you folks that like to go out in the shop and run the tools. So not everybody likes to run power saws and tools, but some of you guys do. So I'm going to make sure that you have access to all the plans, all the modifications. I've got Layens hives, I've got observation beehives, I've got gabled rooftop beehives, I've got all those plans. I'm working on getting them all spec'd out and having pictures and diagrams and a how-to assemble video. So that will be a separate course just for the people that like DIY. I also want to mention real quick is that as I'm building this 2.0 version, I'm actually working on it still. As I'm building it, I'm going to do a pre-launch. So that means if you're interested, I'll have special pricing for those of you who want to be like early adopters. So that's going to be really cool because as you guys join the program, I'm going to be looking for your feedback as I build the courses. So this is kind of a limited time exclusive. All you have to do right now is just reach out to me. So because of you guys, I've been able to grow this channel into something a little bit more robust, and I want you guys to be a part of this natural beekeeping journey. So thanks again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.